This, yeah, that means our furniture's all bricked up.
Hello everyone, today is Friday here
Okay,
in
come upstairs.
California and this is the Labor Day weekend. And this morning we decided to go to this Filipino store in Carson City because I'm craving some Filipino goodies and some Filipino food. We might as well go to this store because it's only like 20 minutes away from us.
Okay, we're on our way. Is that the correct address?
Boing. Gotta do the process before we can go because we're attached to the trailer and dang, that's it.
This.
Recorded. I scroll. You went that way? Good boy. You went Dada's way? Ay, papa.
It's going to be a busy one for you as you make your way.
See? What if we're sitting there?
And then your fall approach.
Dang, lice clinic. Lice.
Help me decipher if
Tasty.
Continue on East 200.
Oh, that is so Chinese that
we're going right? Right.
went to Main Street. He said it's cold. Like Carson Bayer. They even have credit union here.
What kind?
Mabuhay, Filipino Credit Union. That's what I need in
We're
life.
going left.
Then turn right.
Jollibee.
How come you didn't tell
The
me?
nation is on the left.
Shopee. All that. Chain eatery.
Everything's
To
Chinese.
them what? I don't.
Funny souvenir.
Jollibee. Vida ang sarap.
Here, let me go stand in front of it.
Jollibee. Okay. National Hero, Rizal. City Carson.
Sorry.
Look at the calamari. The calamari looks good.
Where?
Right here. Oh, bangus. All for $9.
Favorite beer?
Peach. Jumbo to. When we did some of our grocery shopping at the Filipino place, we had fun and now we're heading back to the Cabrillo Marina. And of course, this is gonna be our lunch today. That sweet plantain banana and this crispy pork bagnet. It was really delicious, and we're gonna have some palabok. And palabok is a cornstarch noodles with some ground meat, smoked fish, chicharrones, and boiled egg on top, dried shrimps. That's the sauce mixture.
Hey guys,
And now I'm gonna have my grocery haul.
we went to Seafood City and I got this sunflower, bawang, chicharon, crunchy peanut.
By the way, these are all on sale.
hiatus,
Golden monkey. It's like a white rabbit candy. Cloudline. This is my husband's one of favorite Filipino candies. Cloudline. This is my favorite thing. Like it's $1.35, something like that. Sweet chili sauce. Sriracha chili. Two bags of mung beans, munggo. A piece of banana. And some saging na saba. This is Filipino banana. The chukok. It can make a sweet turon, or you can add it to the nilaga or a pork soup of some kind with some dish. Then I got some raw peanuts because I'm gonna make adobo spicy peanut. We got some baby milkfish or bangus. This is like $2.39. Fish. Gotta put it in my freezer. And another one. Milkfish jumbo head and tail. Bangus. This is $4. And some hamonado, pork hamonado. Yum yum. They're all here. All this stuff. Ayan, gawa tayo ng adobong mani. Alrighty, and we're in the boat right now. So we went to Carson Seafood City. In Carson. Of course, in Carson. So that's it, guys. Bye. Bangus, piatos. A white guy.
Chocolate with nougat. What the heck are these little things?
That's the minis. It's not the whole
I thought they were
size.
bigger than this. I gotta get 3.
Bite size.
Oh my god. Oh, but I love them. Nougat with.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Nuts.
perfect.
See, a white guy likes Filipino candy bar. Cloudline. After eating our lunch, we had a nice nap time in the boat. Afternoon coffee. Spanish from Carson City. Yum. There's a cargo vessel.
Did you bring
Spanish bread. And you all know that we love our afternoon coffee with the ocean view. How can you beat that, guys? Eating some yummy Filipino bread with filling, and we call that Spanish bread. And we're having a yummy turon, that sweetened banana plantain wrapped in a rice paper, deep fried with some caramelized sugar. This time check here, 5:30 in the evening. There's a cruise ship. Super windy again, of course, every afternoon till the evening. Right, guys, good evening. It's 7 o'clock here in San Pedro, California. This is the view. It's so beautiful. I just missed some fish jumping. I was gonna film it, but I wasn't too quick enough to grab my phone. Okay, so that's the light. It's doing pretty good. It's so pretty. And I'm planning on ordering more. The view, lovely. Palm trees, it's so California. The waiter is just chilling next to our sleep because it's empty right now. So we just park it here. Or just temporary. Gonna try this now. But we'll see what we're gonna see here. Maybe a bunch of worms.
Yeah.
Oh, I see some fish
Yeah.
and some bubbles.
Look at the fish are intrigued. Whoop.
Oh, they're jumping over there. Tiny fish. Wait.
That's what I told them. They don't like them.
It's not really clear, like it's not clear.
I think that's
That's the problem.
part of the issue.
Mm. Hey guys, so
Like if someone drove by,
it doesn't work. The water is not that clear.
on the boat,